Example, we want to write a program that has a function that accepts one input argument, and that function basically needs to print the multiplication table for that number from 1 to 10. The main program needs to read the number from the user and then pass it to the function as an argument. For example, if the user enters 12, we want to print the multiplication of 1 to 12 to 10 times 12 using the function. So we need to define the function first. Print accepts one argument, and all we need to do is we need to find a way to generate these 10 numbers. We can say, hey, print 1 times the number, 2 times the number, 3 times the number. We can have 10 prints, but that's not a very good solution. So we can simply use a loop that generates these numbers 1 to 10 for us automatically, and we can use a for loop because we know how many times we want to repeat these statements. So we need a loop that counts from 1 to 10. In order to include 10, we have to say the upper bound is 11, and inside the function we just say print I times num, then sign or equals I times num. So that's the function. Then inside our program, we read the number as an integer, and then we just call the function and we supply the arguments that we intended. That's 12, you can say that, or let's run it again, this time 68 for example.